Hopefully, it will be great someday. Yesterday I come preparing. Hello everyone, welcome to Make Long Railway. Let's go. Train station. Hello. Guys, if you come here sa Long Rail Station, pakighagol gud mo kay we bought elephant pants for 350 pesos ang ilahang 350 baht ang ilahang first offer. But nahagol na mo to 100 baht. So, let's go.